Hey guys, today I'm going to do a simple home screen widget tutorial for Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you haven't any widget to your home screen or you have, so let's see how can you add widgets or remove widgets to your home screen. Just keep a long press on an empty place. This pop-up will appear. Select widgets option and here you will get different widgets. You just have to select the widget which you want to add to your home screen. Let's say I'm going to select this weather option. Just tap on it, then tap on add. So the widget will be added. You can easily move it to your screens just like that. So if you want to remove it, just keep a long press on it, then tap on remove option to remove it. Now let's add another widget. Just keep a long press on empty place. Select widgets option. And this time I'm going to select a Google widget. Just tap on it. Then let's say add this Google search bar. Just keep a long press on it and you can easily add it to your home screen. So that's how you can easily use home screen widgets in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.